Hi, Daniel Parsons, excited to be back with you. And I'm going to show you the three functions and tools that you have with your Aculife IDoc. And you purchase this through Buy Direct. And I'll show you how to do that in the description of the video. I'll have the link. And you just follow the meridians. Acupoints is what this is called. This is fascinating. And this is my second full day. Today's the solstice day, 20th of June, 2024. And so I've got the device plugged in to the bottom, my new desktop computer, HP. They actually have a USB port down on the bottom, right near where your power switch is. So I don't have three AAA batteries in this. So you can be mobile with three AAA batteries. One issue that Dr. James Ong brought out is that you want to be very careful with the 5-volt. It doesn't need a whole bunch of electricity. So you want to be careful with your power source. So it always turns on at level 1. So I'm just going to set the device down for a second. I'm going to go ahead and put the electrode, and you want to keep your little plastic because there's the sticky part. All this adhesive is going to stick to my skin. So I'm just going to go right here on my forearm, and I'm going to apply that there. And this little electrode, you just snap that in place. There's a little metal plug there. And so I'm going to take the little probe right here, and I'm going to go on up to, I'm going on detect, and I know exactly the area of my body. And I'm going to go ahead and go up to 2. And I'll actually be brave because I've kind of gotten used to 2 already. And I'm going to go to 3. This goes up to 15. And you want a little humor. I just got off the phone with my sponsor and business connection in the Portland, Oregon area. And Adrian told me if I go to level 15, which would be really electro, that would be high. And so he was going to give me $50 if I did that. But I am going to go on 3, and I'm going right into this area. So on the palm of our hand, all of our organs, I've actually got to press the start button. There it goes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm getting quite a few pulses now. Level 3 is and when the pulses go higher, that means that's an area of your body that needs help. And it's fascinating. Acupuncture is thousands of years old. And so I was skeptical for years and years and years about acupuncture, but I know that it helps some people. And so this Electro-Acupuncture is not brand new either. I'm reading out the little booklet, and I'll go ahead and just stop this here. And one tip for people with back pain, I've got some low back issues myself. If you run up this part of, here's my pinky finger here. If you run right up through here, wow, I've got issues right in there, and that's the lumbar back. And so, ooh, that's pretty intense. But I can feel in my brain. So we're electric. Our bodies are electric. So this is absolutely fascinating that it's targeting that low back pain that I have. Wow, I can feel that. So I'm going all the way up my spine. So your spine, isn't that fascinating? So I've done long enough on this probe, and I'm gonna stop it for a second. I'm gonna take this off, and remember, stick it back onto your little adhesive, your electro adhesive, like this. There, and then that way you'll get good long use out of that. Now, this is fascinating also. You'll be able to sit and do some work, whatever you want, with the ear clips. And the ear clips, I think it's the vagus nerve. Dr. James Ong talks about this, and there's a video. And so the outside goes on just like that. So let me get this on here right there. And then this one here is the other one. Okay. And so the outside go like this. And this is fascinating. I did 2 this morning. There's 80,000 nerve endings that the vagus nerve is connected to. So when you treat the vagus, I think it's spelled VAGAS. And so there. Okay, so that's on. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn the unit back on right there. Okay. And I'm going to bump it up to level. I'm going to go try 3. It might be too intense for me. Okay, I'm on the detect function, and it is detecting there's some issues in my nerves because I can really feel it. So I'm going to go to the relieve, and I believe there's the 10 minutes. You can go 5, 10. You can go to 15. Oh, okay. So let's go back 2, 3. Let's start 10. Well, I know you can do 5 or 10. I thought that I read that you can also do 15 minutes. So there's 3. Okay. So this is pretty interesting. Now I could set the device down and look at how is the gold price today, and I can tell all the people that are hitting me up with crypto and investment deals that I'm not interested. And so there. Now, one last part that you'll get with your order is going to be this. It looks kind of like I want to say like a stapler. Okay. So let me show you this. It says Aculife on it right there. Let me get it to where you can see Aculife. Okay. So let's go ahead and stop. And you want to do this when you're rested and you've had something to eat, maybe 30 minutes after you eat a meal. And the instructions are very thorough. They tell you. And after you do your treatment, you don't want to take a shower or drink any cold water. You want always drink warm water. So there, we're going to take these off for now. And let me plug in the clip. And the clip you can actually clip onto your hand. And so the same process here. I'm going to get the adhesive off of here and keep the little plastic where I can stick that adhesive back on. And so, and somebody asked me, oh, this is a TENS. No, this is a Electro, Electo, acupuncture device. It's, let's see, here's that book I was telling you about. The Hygienic Manual of Magic Electric Magnetic Wave. And this is fascinating. It talks about the history of this, and it goes in depth. There's some information from a Dr. Dong Ming Lin, and there's been so much research about this. And then, I mean, you have symptoms in one of these, like the one that my brain or eyes went straight to was arthritis. And so I'll be on that page quite often. And so anyway, you get that book with your purchase. And so I'm going to go right into the center of my palm there. And so let me just show you. You see how it has this little point. Let me open that up right here. You've got this little point. Okay. And so I'm going to go right in the center, and I'm going to work on the heart area. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go to 3 because I'm comfortable with 3. Okay, I'm on detect. There. So we're going to go ahead and start, and I'm going to hit 10. Oh, there's 15. Let me show you. Yep, 15. So I hit the up button 3 times and I got to 15. Now I want to go to relieve now. And relieve, it's on 3. And so I'm going to move this to where I have to hit start. There. Okay, so it's working on my heart now. And I'm on 3. My heart's in fairly good condition for my age. Don't have any cholesterol, don't have any blockages. I had a very, very good examination. And so I have a very good plant-based diet. I don't eat things that would clog me up. And I exercise. And I drink water. And I get my rest. So those are the 3 main tools that come with your IDoc. And so I told you how to get one. buydirect.vip/Daniel. And so I'm going to enjoy the rest of the day and hope you do as well. And so my phone number, 360-383-0265. Bye for now.